Welcome to Module 6, Lesson 1, Topic 2, Import data from .txt files. To retrieve the data from .txt files, first open a blank Excel workbook. Then on the Home ribbon, select the Data tab. Then in the Get and Transform Data group, select From Text/CSV. Then, in the Import Data dialog box, find the .txt file, and then select Import. Then, a second dialog box will open displaying the data you will be bringing into Excel. This dialog box allows you to preview the data prior to bringing it into Excel. Then, in the Delimiter drop-down menu, select the type of delimiter that will work for this file, and then select Load. A delimiter determines how the data is separated into columns. In this file, the delimiter is a tab. Now, the data from the .txt file will be loaded into the Excel file. Download the .txt file from the link in the description and do it yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next topic. Import data from .csv file.